This book is called Bear Snores On. In a cave, in the woods, in his deep, dark lair, through the long, cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap, with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold wind howls, and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat, tiptoe, creep-crawls into the cave from the fluff, cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too cold. So he lights wee twigs with a small, hot spark. The coals pip-pop, and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare hops in. "Oh, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips wee slurps, Hare burps big burps, but the bear snores on. A badger scutters by, sniff snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we can share." "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in." And they nibble and they crunch with a chew-chomp crunch. But the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm!" twitters wren, and everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they twitter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his own lair. Hare strokes the fire, Mouse seasons the stew. Then a small fleck of pepper makes the bear chew! And he blows and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes. They woke up the bear. And the bear wakes up. The bear gnarls and he snarls, the bear roars and he rumbles, the bear jumps and he stomps, the bear growls and he grumbles. "You've snuck in my lair and you've had all the fun. But me, I was sleeping and I've had none." And he whimpers and he moans and he wails and he groans. And the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss, let's see. We can pop more corn, we can brew more tea." Bear gulps, bear gobbles, he sighs with delight, and then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep, but his friends snore on. Look at them all sleeping there. Bear slept on and snored and snored and snored while they were all there, until a pepper flake got him in the nose and he sneezed. But now they're all sleeping in his bear den.